Good evening, guys. Am I audible to all of you? Very good evening, all of you. So, yes, because of technical glitch, there was some issue over here. I hope all of you have joined. So, like we were doing it last time, we are going to continue this series over here, okay, of our live quiz with a timer. So, I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends so that we can start over here. Am I audible to all of you? Yes? Okay, perfect. So, can you quickly share the session with your friends once? Yes, all of you quickly share the session. We are going to start the practice with a timer as we were doing that day. Okay, so what we are going to do is again the same topics which we did in the last class. That is, yes, Kumar, very good evening all of you. So guys, quickly share the session. There was some technical issue, so I think many of you might have left it. Do tell your friends also to join. Yes, all of you please share the session over here. So guys, before we start, I would like to tell you today also the registration for your RBI assistant batch are going on, guys. I just did simplification part 1 today. Okay, so I want all of you to check out. Still time is there. Tomorrow we are going to start with the first arithmetic topic over there. So I want all of you to check out this batch right now, because currently there is offer also going on. At the same time, this is the last day. You will not miss many of this stuff over there. So as I told you, if you're using my name as the code, you are going to get maximum offer today. You are just going to pay 1649 for this batch over here. Okay, so let us quickly begin this session. Before we start it, I want all of you to quickly share the session, guys. All of you tell your friends to join quickly so that we can start with today's part. Yes. So first question is there on your screen. I want all of you to give it a try. First question based on wrong number series. Okay, so again 25 questions today. So 25 questions in a similar distribution. So instead of missing number series, I have taken wrong number series in today's session. Okay, so that you will get to practice different questions over here. Okay, can you just tell your friends also to join, guys? As the channel is bit different, I want all of you to once share the session. Yukti, Kumar, Abhinesh, yes. Quickly share the session once. Zero. Yukti is saying zero as the answer. Okay, what about others? What about others? I don't think zero is the correct answer. Can you just check out, Mukti? Vishal is saying B option here. Okay, I got the second answer from Vishal. He is saying zero. No, you have to tell me the logic as well, guys. Okay, you have to also tell me the logic. This is timer based practice. So guys, still we are not even 10. Please share the session once. All of you please share the session with your friends once, because it is different channel. So many of you might not be aware that this session is going on. So I request all of you please once share the session, guys. Vishal is saying B, 0. No guys, 0 is not the perfect answer. Can you give it a try one more time? There is very interesting logic over here. I can give you hint. Try to get this next value from the previous one. Okay, what you can do is, Yukti is saying 87. Okay. No, Priya is also saying 0. No guys, no. Can you give it a good try? If you observe here, if you are checking 28 threes are, it is 84. Okay, 84 plus 3. Are you getting it? 84 plus 3. If you are checking this value over here, 87 twos are, that is nothing but if you are checking it, it is 174 plus 2. Can you observe this? Yes, Bharat is getting the excellent answer over here. Abhinesh, Bharat, Kumar, excellent performance, guys. Very good. 1 is the perfect answer, guys. What a performance. Very good. How will you do this? This is nothing but into 1 plus 1. So 176 into 1 plus 1. This is into 0 plus 0. Are you getting it? So this value is into 4 plus 4 over here. That means this has to be into 5 plus 5. Accordingly, 1 is a wrong number. Yes, Kumar, you are perfectly correct over here. Very good performance by Kumar here. Very good. Are you all getting it? Very interesting logic. It is nothing but multiplication of a number in the decreasing manner and adding the same number over here. Everybody is clear with this part? Is there anyone having any doubt? Is there anyone having any doubt? Perfectly clear to all of you? So guys, I request all of you again, still we are 13, please share the session once guys. All of you, can you share the session once? Because it is different channel today, so many of you might not be finding the link also. So please share the session so that even you will enjoy solving with me. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. Second question is there on your screen. Your time starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting the answer over here. Can you give it a try? Next question is there on your screen. I want all of you to give it a try. Your time is already over. Let me see how many of you got the answer over here. Let me see how many of you got the answer for this one. Yes. Abhinesh got the first answer. He is saying 6 as the answer over here. Okay, what about others? Anyone else got the answer in this? Anybody else got the answer over here? 6 is not the correct answer. 6, are you sure it is correct, Abhinesh? 6, whether it is correct or not correct, or it should be 4. Can you check out again? Yes. Can you check out again? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer for this one? Anyone else is getting the answer for this question? Yes. Okay, Yukti is saying 1. No. So actually, let me tell you, correct answer is 6 itself. Very good performance by Abhinesh here. Excellent performance by Abhinesh. 6 is the perfect answer. Very good. Elon, you are a new student. Okay. Perfect one. 6 is incorrect one. You are perfectly correct. Kuman, Chitraketu, Deepak. Excellent performance guys. 6 is the perfect answer. It should be 4. You are perfectly correct. You guys are perfectly correct. Can anybody tell me what is the logic over here? Can any one of you tell me what is the logic? Yes, it is getting half over here, which is not expected. Yes, can any one of you tell me what is the logic? I think this one is simple. You have to multiply this by 0.5 over here. Okay, this one is multiplied by 0.5. If you are checking this part over here, it is divided by 4. Are you getting it? If you are observing this, this is multiplied by 8. Again, this is divided by 16. So, can you observe your numbers are increasing over here by 2 value, and there is alternative multiplication division over here. So, this value has to be divided by 1 over here. Are you getting it? It has to be divided by 1. Then this will become 4 and next will be multiplied by 2. Are you getting it? So, basically it is multiplication of 0.5, 1, then 2, 4, 8 and 16. And alternative multiplication division is there. Are you getting it? Yes, it is nothing but a twin series. You are perfectly correct. Is everyone clear with this part? Ashu, Kumar, Deepak, very good performance guys, very good, excellent one. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Again, your time starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting the answer within time, and that too perfect answer over here. Can you give it a try, all of you? You have to identify which is the wrong number over here. I have taken very frequently asked logic over here. Okay, so that yes, first, third and fifth are getting halved. Not halved, actually they are becoming in the ratio of 2 over here. Kumar, Chitraketu, please understand the logic over there. They are increasing in the proportion of 2. Okay, can you check out the next question over here? Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Yes. Anybody got the answer over here? Your time is already over. Your time is already over. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right now. Yes, can you give it a try? First, yes. I think that, let me give you hint, Bharat is saying 38. I got the first answer. Excellent performance by Bharat here. Very good, Bharat. 38 is the perfect answer, guys. Very good. 38 is the perfect answer over here. Odd number square. What a performance over here by Bharat. Ritika is also getting it. 38 is the perfect answer. Jagannath, Deepak. Very good, guys. Very good. 38 is the perfect answer. D option is the correct one. What is the logic? You could have checked that there are this number. If you observe the series, first it is increasing, then decreasing, increasing, decreasing. Likewise, if you would have calculated the difference, you would have easily understood the logic. Yes, it is nothing but a prime number square. It is not odd number. So what is the difference over here? If you are checking the difference, I think this difference, if you are checking, it is wrong over here. They have given plus 5. Okay, if you are checking this value over here, it is minus 9. Okay, check out this difference over here. It is plus 25. Okay, this is minus 49. That means this is 3 square, this is 5 square, this is 7 square. Now this value is important. It is 121, that is 11 square addition. That means these are prime numbers over here. This part is really important. Are you getting it? This is prime number value over here. So this has to be 2 square in this case. Are you guys getting it? Bharat, yes, you are perfectly correct. Now 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square and 11 square. So guys, again I am telling you, whenever you are seeing 2, 3, 5, 7 as the value, never forget to check whether it is odd or prime. Really important part for your exam. Are you guys getting my point? Really important part for your exam over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Yes, let me see how many of you are getting this one. Your time starts now. So guys, still we are not even 30. I want all of you to quickly share this session so that even you will enjoy it solving it to your friends. Yes, can you just quickly share this session? All of you. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Yes, can you give it a try? 38, 5, 6, 18, 60 and 656. Ma'am, please explain in Hindi. ठीक है, आई थिंक पंकज वैसे तो आपको कोई इशू नहीं आना चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज अबाउट द नंबर ओवर हियर. बट अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क मी. आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इन इंग्लिश ओवर हिंदी ओवर हियर. आर यू गेटिंग इट? ओनली पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन हिंदी. रिमेनिंग पार्ट, yes, definitely I'll consider in English itself. 18. Okay, he is saying 18. You are near to answer, but that is not the correct answer. That is not the correct answer over here. Yes, can you check out? 18. 18. No, you are somewhat near to the answer, but that is not the perfect answer. Can any one of you check and tell me what would be the answer over here? Your time is already over. Bharat, Ashu, Kranti, Ilon. Can any one of you tell me what would be the answer in this? Second one from this one. Okay. So I want all of you to check out how you are going to get this value over here. So guys, as all of you can see, please share the video. As the channel is changed, there many of you might not be aware about the session. So I want all of you to please share the session, guys. All of you quickly share the session with your friends once. Nath, very good guys. 6 is the perfect answer over here. 6 is the perfect answer over here. Very good, very good. Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Just observe the series. Definitely you would have understood what is the logic in this. Okay, so here if you observe, this is divided by 2. Or I can say multiplied by 0.5 plus 1. Are you getting it? Multiplied by 0.5 plus 1 over here. How will you get this value from this? If you divide this by 4. If you divide this by 4 over here, easily you could have observed that is 0.25. So when you are dividing this by 4, it will become 7.5 plus 0.5. Are you getting it? Please observe the logic. It is really interesting logic over here. Multiplied by 0.25. So 38, 5, 6, 18, 80 and 656. Okay, how it is going? If you are dividing this by 0.25 or 4 over here, you are getting 7.5 plus 0.5 in this case. Are you getting it? This is becoming half, or I can say 0.5 plus 1. Everybody is getting it. What about this value over here? If you are checking the next value, it should be into 1 plus 2. It should be into 1 plus 2 over here, but this is not the correct value. Are you guys following my point? So what would be your next value over here? It would become, yes, double of this value, that is nothing but into 2 plus 4. Everybody is following this point over here. This is into 4 plus 6. Sorry, into 4 plus 8 over here. Really interesting logic. How to approach wrong number? Yes, RBI में इसमें 15 marks तो जरूर आते हैं guys. Okay, 10 to 15 marks simplification, approximation and number series is going to be there. Okay, so really high weightage to this particular topic. Okay, Deepak is having doubt in this. Please pay attention. Let me quickly explain it again. All of you please pay attention. This is very interesting question. So this number is a wrong number. Okay, instead of this you should have 7 over here. Now all of you please pay attention. Try to get 8 from 30 over here. Okay, try to get 8 from 30. How will you get this value over here? You have to divide this by 4. If you are dividing this by 4, it will become 7.5 plus you have to add 0.5. Okay, how will you get 5 over here? You are making it half, or I can say multiplication by 0.5. So if you closely observe, this is becoming double. Similarly, you have to multiply this by 1. So 5 into 1. And you are adding the value which is also increasing in the multiple of 2 to 2 over here. Are you guys following my point? Deepak, Elon, are you following it? So this will become 0.25 into 0.5. Okay, so just observe this. Again you have to multiply this by 2. So this will become 0.5 plus 1. Are you getting it? Make both of the things double. This will become 1 plus 2. Everybody is following it. Make both the things 2, multiply by 2. So 2 plus 4. Likewise, you have to add all the values over here. 4 into 8, 8 plus 16 over here. Is this part clear now? Yes, very good. So 6 will be the wrong number over here. Excellent performance of few of you, those who got the correct answer over here. Next question is there on your screen. Your timer starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. This one is really interesting question. Previous year you had question based on this pattern and I am expecting each one of you will get the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. So guys, we are going to cover 25 questions today. Okay, based on all the different concepts. I want all of you to share it with your friends because it is new channel. So guys, you will also enjoy it. Please share the session once. All of you quickly share the session once with your friends. Okay, how will you do this one? Let me see how many of you are getting the answer for this one over here. Try to get next value from the first one. Okay, just your approach should be that way that you should try to get next value from the previous one over here. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Are you getting it? 5 3s are 15. Okay, so 15 minus 3 I am getting over here. 12 4s are 48 plus 1. Okay, so somewhere this is going wrong. Somewhere this value is going wrong over here. If you are observing this, 49 5s are. If you are observing 49 5s are over here, that is nothing but 245 minus 4. Are you getting it? It is 245 minus 4. No, Jagannath is getting the excellent answer here. What a performance. 12 is the perfect answer. 12 is the perfect answer. Now, can you observe this? If you are multiplying this by 6, what are you getting over here? 6 1s are and 144. So, 144, 6 minus 5. Are you getting it? So, basically, this value should be into 2 minus 1. This should be into 3 minus 2 over here. So, accordingly, you should have got 13 as the value over here. Are you getting it? 13 should have been the value. That is why 12 is the wrong number. Vishwajit, Bharat, Dhruv, excellent performance guys. Very good. Very good. Everybody is following this part. Is there anyone having any doubt in this? Is there anyone having any doubt? Perfectly clear to all of you? Very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see how many of you are getting this one. How many of you are getting this one? Yes. How will you try this? Next one, your time starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting this answer over here. Again, a very simple and logical question over here. If you just observe the series, you will definitely get the answer. Abhinesh is saying 10. Excellent performance. Vishwajit, Dhruv, Abhinesh, very good guys. Before timer itself, you guys got the answer over here. 10 is the perfect answer. 10 is the perfect answer over here. Very good, very good. How will you do this question over here? Just observe how you are writing the value over here. So if you observe, this is divided by 3. This is divided by 4. If you observe this is divided by 3 again. Are you getting it? This is divided by 2, 4, 3 over here, and observe this is multiplication by 3, multiplication by 5. So this should be the according multiplication over here. Are you getting it? It is becoming wrong because of this value, because it should be 6 over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you are dividing this by 6, this should be 5 over here. Instead of 10, it should be 5. Perfect answer by Dhruv, Satya, Deepak. Very good guys, very good. I hope everybody is following this. So simply based on the same logic, that is alternative division and multiplication, we are getting the answer over here. Quickly let us move on to the next question. Question based on a fractional value. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Yes, can you try it? Your time starts now. Your time starts now. Let me see how many of you are able to do this one. Yes. So guys, last 10 seconds, let me see who is getting the perfect answer over here. So I have seen guys, whenever you have fractional or decimal based series, many of the students do not try it. But trust me guys, sometimes your series will be really easy. Only thing is you have to observe your series very closely over here. Okay, for example, in this case, if you are observing, your series is continuously increasing. That too, there is no much difference over here. That means there has to be some difference logic over here. There has to be some difference logic over here. Abhinesh, Vishwajit, Jagannath, D option. Very good guys, very good. What a performance by Bharat here. 11 point. Yes, it is the difference of 11 series over here. You guys are perfectly correct. So D would be the perfect answer. Very good. D would be the perfect answer over here. Are you all getting the point over here? So calculate the difference between both of the numbers, that is nothing but 2.2. If you are checking this difference over here, it is 1.1. Can you check out this difference over here? Yes, this is 3.3. Everybody is getting it. Can you check out this difference over here? It is 4.4. If you are checking, it is 5.5 and this is nothing but I think 6.6. So which one is the wrong number? Yes. Which one is the wrong number? These two values are coming wrong. That is because 13.8 is a wrong number. So in case of wrong number series guys, please keep this in mind. Wherever at two places your logic is not following, middle between that would be your answer. Whatever is written middle between that would be your answer. So 13.8 is a wrong answer over here. Are you guys getting my point? Everybody is following this point over here? Is there anyone having any doubt? I think it is clear. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Your timer starts now. Let me see how many of you are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try? Yes, next question is there on your screen. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right now. 32. I got the first answer by Vishwajit here, 32. What about others? Okay, very good, very good. 32 is the perfect answer. Excellent performance by Interpret, Dhruv, Bharat. Very good guys. Vishwajit is also getting it. 32 is the perfect answer. Simple series. Now we are done with the wrong number series. Few questions I have taken based on the missing number series over here. So what is the logic? It is alternative multiplication over here. Alternative series pattern. Can you observe 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 over here. Similarly, this is also becoming double. 64 2s are 128. So here you have to take half of the value. So 32 would be the perfect answer. Very good. Dhruv, whatever you have said, even you can follow that logic as well. Okay, you can follow that logic as well. Both of the logics are equally correct over here, whether you are following alternative or the consecutive value, both ways it is correct over here. Okay, so what he is saying, this is divided by 2 over here. If you are observing this, it is multiplied by 4, this is divided by 8, this is multiplied by 16. So this should be divided by 32. Likewise, he is saying over here. This logic is also perfectly correct. I hope everybody is following it. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Next question is there on your screen. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. So you can either try alternative, guys. So especially when you have alternative series, generally both of the answers would be correct. Okay, both of the answers would be correct over there. Let me see how many of you are getting next one right now. Can you give it a try? Very interesting question. Let me see how many of you are able to guess the logic over here. So guys, try to follow the accuracy as well as timer, because both are going to be very important for your exam. Okay, so I want all of you to keep track of both of the things. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Yes, none of you got the answer so far. 32. Kumar is saying 32 over here. 32 is not at all there. Can you check out, Kumar? 325 is the perfect answer. Vishwajit, Abhinesh, excellent performance, guys. Very good, very good. 325 is the perfect answer over here. Very good. Those who are getting 325 as the answer, excellent performance over here. Okay, what is the logic? Try to get, yes, can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Try to get the next number from the first one over here. Okay, so yes, you are perfectly correct. So if you are dividing this by half or 0.5, you will get 45 plus 10 over here. Are you getting it? How will you do this value? You have to multiply this by 1 plus 20. Are you getting it? You have to multiply this by 1 plus 20 over here. Everybody is following my point? What about next value over here? It is nothing but multiplication of 1.5 plus 30 over here. Can you check out? It is multiplication of 1.5 plus 30 over here. So if you are taking 1.5, 75, and half of 75, that is nothing but, yes, that is nothing but 37.5 over here. So what would be the answer? You can check out. That is nothing but 112.4. You are adding 30 with that. That will make it 142.5. Are you getting it? So what would be your next value? It is into 2 plus 40 over here. That is nothing but 325 would be the answer. Is everyone following it? Yes. Bharat, you are perfectly correct. It is 0.5 plus 10 into 1 plus 20 into 1.5 plus 30. Okay, likewise these values are increasing, and they are increasing in 0.5 order over here. Very good performance by many of you. Is this thing perfectly clear to all of you? Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Yes, can you give this a question? Try last question of number series. Now guys, I want all of you to evaluate your own performance as well. Like how many questions you are getting right, so that you can verify which all things you need to work more. Are you getting it? So while for solving this quiz over here, make sure you are checking how many questions you are getting right over here. Can you try next question now? Next question is last question. All of you are having it on your screen. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Dhruv got the first answer, 318. Excellent performance by Dhruv here. Vishwajit, Interpede. Very good, guys. Very good. 318 is the perfect answer. Perfect one. You are getting the excellent logic over here. What is the logic? Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Yes. You are perfectly correct. Your value is perfectly correct, but I want correct logic as well. Can any one of you tell me what is the logic over here? Yes. Perfectly correct, guys. So if you have checked the difference, you would have easily understood this logic over here. Okay, so what is the logic in this case? This difference is 4 over here. If you are checking this difference over here, it is again 4. Are you getting it? Check out the next difference over here. Difference is 1, 2, 3. No, yes, it is double difference logic over here. Yes, it is double difference logic over here. That is what I wanted all of you to check out. Okay, so this is nothing but 24. So what is this value? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 threes are 24. So 24 fours are, you have to calculate the value, that is 96, and add the value over here. Are you getting my point? So that is nothing but 318 would be the value. So basically double difference is in the logic of multiplication over here. Very good logic in this question. Everybody is following this part? Is there anyone having any doubt? Is there anyone having any doubt? Perfectly clear to all of you? Very good guys, very good. Let us quickly move on to our next part, that is nothing but few questions based on the quadratic. So guys, I am really disappointed all of you have not shared the session, because if you have good count, you can also enjoy the session guys. Okay, so we have not improved the count also. Please guys, we can make it 50 now also. All of you please share the session once. Dhruv, Interpid, Bharat, Vishwajit, so that everyone will be benefited through this practice. Can you try this question over here? Next question is there on your screen. Can you give it a try? Question is easy one. It is only about, yes. Question is easy. It is only about how you are writing it in this format over here. A option. Few of you are saying A option. Okay, your time is also over. Let me see how many of you are getting it. Yes, excellent performance. Dhruv, Interpid, Vishwajit. A is the perfect answer over here. Very good guys, very good. Can any one of you tell me what all are the roots over here? If you are taking it on the other side, you can see here this value is negative. That means difference should be equal to 10 over here. Are you getting it? The difference value should be equal to 10. So if you are multiplying this, this is 56. You can observe which all could be the factors over here. So split this into parts over here. 7 8s are, that is 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Can you try out the combination? 4 and 14 would be the roots. 14 and 4 would be the root. You have to remember one small trick. This sign will go with a smaller root. So this will become 14 comma minus 14 comma 4. Perfect answer by Vishwajit, Bharat, Dhruv. Very good guys. What about second one? If you are taking it on the other side, this will become 4y square minus 16y plus 15 over here. Are you getting it? Make sure you are writing the sign properly. 15 4s are 60. So your roots will be 10 comma 6 over here. As the coefficients are already same, you have to directly compare the roots in this case. Are you getting it? You can directly compare the roots. Let us compare it on a number line. So this is minus 4 comma 4. This is your x value. What about y value? 6 comma 10 over here. This is your y value. So y is greater than x would be the perfect answer over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Very interesting question. Let me see how many of you can perform in this question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Can you give it a try? Very interesting question. This question is there from your mains exam. Okay, so I am taking mixed and merge of your assistant mains as well as pre, so that you will get full practice over here. Let me see how many of you can apply the logic. I have covered this in my paid batch guys. Okay, if you remember, I have covered these type of question in the paid batch over here. Okay, now those who have not joined the batch, still the registrations are going on guys. Pre and mains, both the basics would be covered. Are you getting it? So today there is offer 1649 is the price that you are going to pay if you buy it and using my name as the code over here. Can you try this one? Vishwajit is saying B option here. Bharat is saying D option. I am getting multiple answers over here. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer over here? Yes. Dhruv is again saying B option. Okay, let us do it. Before we do that, I am going to tell you very good trick over here. For these type of question, what you have to do is, please pay attention. If you want to quickly solve this question, you know that both of your roots will be in the format of root 3 over here. So you just write down root 3 and root 3 over here. Are you getting it? Second step you have to do is divide your constant value by root 3 square over here. What is root 3 square? It is 3. So simply divide by 3. This will become 6 over here. Now rather than solving full equation, you have to simply solve this equation over here. X square plus 5x plus 6 over here. What would be the roots? Minus 3 comma minus 2. What would be your roots? Minus 3 comma minus 2 over here. Same process we have to follow here as well. So here you have to write root 3 comma root 3 and you have to split this equation into different format, x square minus y. If you are dividing this by 3, this will become 6 over here. So what would be your roots? 3 comma 2. This will go with a smaller root. It will become 3 comma minus 2. Yes, perfect answer by Bharat over here. Excellent performance, Bharat. Okay, so what are you going to get? This will become 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Now easily you can compare both of the roots over here. So what is your x value? It is minus 3 minus 2. This is your x value. What is your y value over here? It is minus 2 plus 3 over here. This is your y value. So I can easily say y is greater than x. That is nothing but first option would be the perfect one. Excellent performance by Krishnan and Bharat over here. Very good, guys. Very good. Especially those who got the correct answer over here. Really good conceptual question in front of you. Okay, can you try next question? Your timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the correct answer for this one. Can you try this next question which is there on your screen? Vishwajit is saying C option over here. Okay, I got the first answer over here by Vishwajit. He is saying C option. Interpede is saying A option. Very good, guys. Saurav, Ankit, Dhruv, very good, guys. C is the perfect answer over here. C is the perfect answer. It is only about calculating the perfect root in this particular question. What would be the root? 6 2s are 12. As this is positive sign, sum should be equal to 7. So my roots would be equal to 4 comma 3 over here. My roots would be equal to 4 comma 3. As here there is negative sign over here, difference should be equal to 1. So it is going to be 2 comma 1. And here this will go with a smaller root. So it will become plus 2 comma minus 1 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Okay, now if you are checking this value over here, yes, as coefficient of x square and y square are same, directly also you can verify the roots. Okay, so this value is 3 comma 4. This is your x value. What about y value? 2 comma minus 1. This is your y value. So you will get your value as x is greater than y. Perfect answer by many of you. So what would be the answer? Option C would be the perfect answer over here. Maharaj, please check out your answer. C would be the perfect answer over here. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. This is very interesting representation of a question over here. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Can you try this next question which is there on your screen? Yes, it is only about how you are representing this equation that will give you the answer. So do not get scared looking at the question. Equation 1 roots are minus 4, minus 3. No, they will be positive roots. Interpede, please check out, as middle sign is negative over there, roots are going to be positive. Ankit is saying E option. What a performance. Ankit is giving so quick and correct answer today. Very good. Deepak is also saying E option. What about others? What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer here? Maharaj, Saurabh Tyagi, E answer. Vishwajit, E answer. Very good, guys. Very good. E is the perfect answer over here. How will you solve this? All of you, please pay attention. Really interesting question. So for this question, first of all, you have to take it on the other side. So what will you get? X square plus, if I am taking this is 3 plus 2, 5. 5 5s are 25. If you are taking this on the other side, what are you going to get? This will become x square minus 20x. Now this part is very important. When you are saying x square minus 20x, I have seen many students just writing 20 as the value, which is wrong. Please pay attention. Whenever you have x as the common value, this is actually x minus 20. That means either your x value is 0 or it will be 20 over here. I hope all of you are getting my point. यस, इसमें कोई मेथड नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ एक साइड में लेके जाना और ध्यान में रखना है कि whenever you are getting x as the value, this will become x equal to 0, 20. Yes, you are perfectly correct, Dhruv. It is 0, 20 will be the roots over here. Okay, let us check out the second question now. For second one also, you have to convert that format into proper quadratic equation. That's it. There is nothing new. It is only about the different representation over here. So this will become 3 square. 2y will get cancelled over here. You are getting 3x square minus 12, that is equal to 0. So what are you getting? Y square is equal to 4, or I can say y is equal to plus or minus 2. Are you getting it? You are getting y value as plus or minus 2 over here. So when you are comparing them on a number line, x value is 0, 20. This is my x value over here. What is y value? It is minus 2, plus 2. This is your y value. There is overlap. So your answer would be cannot be determined. What would be your answer? Cannot be determined would be the answer over here. Is this thing perfectly clear to all of you? Is this thing perfectly clear to all of you how we are doing this? Is there anyone having any doubt? Is there anyone having any doubt over here? So you have to check your roots very, very carefully while solving these questions. Very good performance, guys. Next, very interesting question. Let me see how many of you are getting this one right. Your time starts now. Can you give this question a try? Question involving odd and even power over here. Let me see how many of you are able to do this one. Yes, can you give it a try? B option. Excellent performance by Vishwajit and Dhruv here. Before time itself, they are getting the correct answer. What a performance, all of you. Dhruv, Ankit, B option is the perfect one over here. Very good, very good. I think conceptually you have understood this even and odd power concept over here. Very good, guys. So again, I am telling you guys, with practice, all these things will become fit into your mind provided you are attending this quiz every day. Okay, so all of you every day 9 PM you have to attend it. At the same time, tell your friends also guys to join so that they should not miss the concept. Okay, B option is the perfect one. So when you are talking about a square value, you know that whenever you have even power, you are going to get positive as well as negative 13 over here. You are going to get positive as well as negative 13. What about this? This is 13 cube value over here. This value is actually 13 cube value over here. Now when you are talking about 13 cube, it is very much evident that odd power means I am going to get only positive 13 as the value. Are you getting it? Positive 13 would be the value over here. So if this is positive 13, what would be your final answer? Easily you can check out your value will be x is either less than or equal to y, which is nothing but B option over here. Perfect answer. I hope everybody is getting it. अंकित इंग्लिश भी कराओ आप. ओके, इंग्लिश तो डेफिनेटली मैं नहीं ले सकती हूँ गाइस. तो मेरा एक्सपर्टीज क्वांट है तो डेफिनेटली मैं क्वांट का ही सब्जेक्ट लूंगी. यस, I would be more than happy to take English as well, Ankit. Okay. Yes. Can you try next question now? Next one is there on your screen. Can you try this one? Yes. Actually, many times I got comments like, ma'am, I have improved English because of you. I felt so good knowing that. So, because of lectures, you guys are improving on your English. That is really good thing, guys. क्वालिफाइंग होता है मतलब यस, आपको मेंस लिखने के लिए प्री एग्जाम तो देना पड़ेगा. आपके फाइनल इसमें ये काउंट जरूर नहीं होगा. इंटरपीड आपके फाइनल स्कोर में प्री का स्कोर काउंट नहीं होगा. Ankit is getting perfect and quick answers today. Really good performance by Ankit today. He is saying C option over here. He is saying C option over here. Can any one of you tell me what are the roots that you are getting over here? Can any one of you tell me what are the roots that you are going to get in this particular question? So this is 13 into 5. This is already 3 over here. What do we need? Sum should be 28. Sum of the roots should be 28. So what would be your roots over here? 15, 13 would be the roots. Yes, Ankit, you are perfectly correct. 15, 13 would be the roots over here. What about second one? You can again split this into smaller part. 16 into 3, this is 5 over here. Yes, again you can split this into smaller part. 8 twos are, this is 3 and 5 over here. So what would be the roots in this case? Can any one of you tell me? Yes, 12 and 20 would be the roots over here. So 5 2s are, 5 4s are. So 12 and 20 would be the roots. Perfectly correct answer by all of you. So Vishwajit is following it perfectly. Now as you know that coefficients are different. This is a very important part over here. Coefficients are different in this case. So we have to check for coefficient as well. Multiply this by 5. That is cross multiplication over here. So this is multiplied by 5, this is multiplied by 3. So what will you get in this? This will become 75 and 65. This will become 36 and 60 over here. Now easily you can compare the value. Your y value is 36, 60. That is y value over here. And what about x value? This is 65 and 75. This is your x value. So x is greater than y would be the perfect answer. Very good guys, very good. Everybody is following this part? Is there anyone having any doubt? Is there anyone having any doubt? Perfectly clear to all of you? Okay, so this is the last question for your homework over here. For your homework, this is the last question. I want all of you to try this one and mention your answer in the comment box. So these two questions are homework question for all of you. And yes, ma'am, negative sign nahi consider karenge. Nahi karenge because negative sign is not at all needed over there. Okay, negative sign आपका जरूरी है ही नहीं इसमें. So why will you consider it? Here you can see both of the values will be positive because ये आपका positive sign है. Enter please check out. So guys, those two questions are homework for all of you. I want all of you to check out them. Okay, so that is what we have for today. Guys, please share next time onwards. All of you can share the session so that we'll be able to continue the series. And again, I would like to tell you, tomorrow is the first arithmetic section of the RBI assistant batch, guys. So still you are not late if you have not joined this batch over here. Okay, so really good conceptual question like this will be covered in an organized manner. On YouTube, we are taking random questions over here. So if you want to learn it from start to end, definitely this batch will help you out. Today, if you are using my name as the code, you are just going to pay 1649 for this. And as I tell you every day, rather than purchasing individual things, guys, why not to go for the complete subscription over here? Okay, so we have a package called as Super Elite package over here. In this package, this RBI assistant course is also included. Okay, so if you are purchasing this, you are going to get prelim mock test, mains mock test, sectional test would be there. Along with that, LPS would be there. And in upcoming sessions, even if you are getting SBI Clerk or IBPS Clerk PO exam, you can watch it for free. So I feel that if you are purchasing this and using my name as the code, you have to just pay 2624 and everything would be accessible to you. Okay, so rather than purchasing individual thing, do check out guys, this Elite subscription is a really good one. Okay, so hope all of you must have enjoyed this session. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. See you guys tomorrow at the same time, that is 9 p.m.